Cosine similarity. Cosine similarity is a metric that measures the cosine of the angle between two vectors, projected in a multi-dimensional space. The smaller the angle between the two vectors, the more similar they are to each other. Suppose the angle between the two vectors is 90 degrees, the cosine similarity will have a value of 0. This means that the two vectors are perpendicular to each other, which means they have no correlation between them. As the cosine similarity measurement gets closer to 1, then the angle between the two vectors A and B becomes smaller. In this case, A and B are more similar to each other. The cosine similarity is described mathematically as the division between the dot product of vectors, and the product of the Euclidean norms or magnitude of each vector, where A and B are vectors in a multidimensional space. Since the cos theta value is in the range -1, 1, 1, -1 value will indicate strongly opposite vectors, that means no similarity. 2, 0 indicates independent, or orthogonal, vectors. 3, 1 indicates a high similarity between the vectors. Cosine distance. Usually, people use the cosine similarity as a similarity metric between vectors. Now, the cosine distance can be defined as follows. Cosine distance equals 1, cosine similarity. The intuition behind this is that if two vectors are perfectly the same, then the similarity is 1, angle equals 0, hence cos theta equals 1, and thus distance is 0, 1 minus 1 equals 0. Applications of cosine similarity. 1. The metric is used in processes of data mining, information retrieval, and text matching. 2. Used in a recommendation engine to recommend similar products, movies, shows, books. 3. In information retrieval, using weighted TF-IDF, and cosine similarity is a very common technique to quickly retrieve documents similar to a search query. 4. The cosine similarity-based locality-sensitive hashing technique increases the speed for matching DNA sequence data.
If you have any doubts regarding this topic, please comment down below. I will respond as per my best. Signing out.